In this video we're checking out the Evolve Carbon GT board cover. So I can be a little bit fussy when it comes to keeping my gear, I wouldn't say in pristine condition, but I like to take care of my stuff. And one of the things that I kind of sometimes worry about is when the board is hung on the wall in the garage, it might get knocks or scrapes or something, and I don't want that to happen. So I've been thinking for a while about getting a cover for it, and now in the UK, Evolve are stocking the Evolve Carbon GT board cover, so I thought I'd pick one up. And I don't really see much about them online, so I thought I'd share it with you. So, should be relatively simple. Pop this off. Throw away the bag. Oh, comes in a nice little bag. So I guess when you're riding the board, you want to take that off somewhere to store it. Let's see how easy it is to get on. I believe that they're relatively snug. So let's see how this works. I think one thing to note is I knew they did these for the older carbon boards, but not for the GT board. But I'm informed this one is for the GT. You can see a little couple of marks on there already. Let's see if we can make this fit, or how well it fits. Anyway, it actually looks like it is properly designed for the board, which is of course going to be excellent. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely going to be a snug fit, so we just move it around here carefully as we go. It's elasticated, so as soon as you let go, it has a tendency to want to twang back into position. There's one thing you won't want to be doing on video, is twanging the twanger. Right, oh. So I'm assuming the elastic will have a bit of give in it over time. Doesn't help it's bloody cold in here. Oh yeah. Oh, I like that. That's a really nice fit. Let's just see if I can show this to you better. Look at that. Splendid. So that's going to make it a much nicer fit whilst in the garage, but also when transporting in the car when I go somewhere as well. So that's it. Evolve Carbon GT cover. Oh, don't break it. I think a worthwhile investment if you're looking after your quite expensive electric skateboard.
Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.